Matthew, my name is Heidi, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. And I have found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to really impact their business for free that they can do and get results and have local business owners, I guess, raise their hand and say, hey, yeah, I'd like you, Heidi, to please come work for me. So anyways, if by the end of this video, if you like what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help with your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or at the end of the video, you simply want to just take the free action plan that I gave you and do it yourself. That works for me as well. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition. And I won't waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. Google is really good about looking at a website to optimize it for content. They do not have a set number of content that needs to be on your site, but typically we have seen 1,500 to 2,000 words. So I went ahead to look to see how many words were on your site. I have 371 words. And I went ahead and pulled up the #1 competition that's #1 ranking for Google. And I pulled up their site and see right here they have 2,307 words on their site. So every month people are searching for different keywords. And if you're not on #1, then you are really missing out on a lot of traffic. So the #1 thing that we would want to do is we want to optimize your website to have more content. So we would put more content on your website. I, however, do love the pictures that you have put on your website. I really like how they're very clear and crisp. So those pictures we would probably leave on the website, but we would add definitely more content, at least to beat your competition. So that is the first thing that we see that we can do to improve your ranking online and get you to the #1 spot to get you more traffic is definitely to add more content to your website. And then moving on to the second thing, and it's also an important thing as well, is citations. Now, citations are just simply a popularity contest on Google. You want all these people pointing back to you. So I went and I loaded up your website into a tool that I call Moz to see where online your business is getting pointed back to you. So this is showing everything. Now, a citation is what is your name, your address, and your phone number, and also what is your website, and it's all pointing back to you like you're the cool kid on the internet. So right now we see that you do have Google, and this would be like Google Maps, a Google business page as well. So when somebody is searching, they will pull up the maps and they will see. Same with right here. These two are actually connected. The Google page and the Google Maps are connected. So it does show that you have that, but it looks like you're not on any social media platforms. You're not found on Bing. You're not found on some of these others, on your local services. You are on HotFrog, which is good. But you're missing out on all of these other citations that could bring you more business into your website and into your business. So we would go out and we would get more content is #1. Second thing we would do is we'd get you citations. Now, it's pretty typical to get between 75 and 100 citations for your website. So we would go out and we would do that for you. And that shows Google that you're the cool kid. Now, looking over at your competition, they do have a Facebook page. And so that kind of puts them above you in aspect that they do have that page. But again, they're not being found on Bing or any of these other ones. So it will be very, very easy to outrank them and to get more citations and to get you into that #1 spot. So we can see that the competition citations are laid out and they're also submitted a different way. So we would just go there and we would get you more competition and more citations so that you could beat them, like hands down beat them. And now just the third thing I want to cover with you that is another really important aspect to Google. We call this thing that gives your site authority link juice. You can see we search for your site on here, and it's not number one in the map pack right here. Ideal citing is, I actually had to go down a little bit because ideally you want to be in these first three sections, 3 to 10, but the 3. And I did find you down here, but not up in the map pack. And some people don't even pull down for here. They just see the map pack, and that's the first thing that they click on. So this is where you want to really be and get there. You need to beat out the competition in every aspect. So this link juice simply works like this, like your site and their site above them. And it gives more authority to them in their eyes. So I have another one that I go through. It's a tool called Ahrefs that I can pull it up and I can show what backlinks you're getting. Now, it looks like you are doing paid traffic. So with your paid traffic, 2 keywords are the only thing that is coming in with paid traffic. It's bringing in 34 people a month for traffic. And right here, your organic traffic, you have 73 keywords. And this means that 33 of those keywords are not buyer intent keywords. So they're not doing your site any good. So we'd actually drop those keywords and put buyer intent keywords on there, like citing for my home, citing in Sandy, Utah. But this organic traffic is only bringing in you 5. That's it. So you're getting 39 people looking at your website a month. Now, compared to your, I'm sorry. And then right here is your backlinks. So you have 92 backlinks pointing back to you, and you have 4 that have been added this month. So 92 is really good, but if you look at your competition, I'm pulling them up right here, they have actually 778 backlinks, but they're adding 24 a month. Now, you won't need to have that many backlinks because what we're going to do is we're going to go through, we're going to get the best backlinks that have the highest quality. This is the quality that they have. So we'll get the highest quality of backlinks. We'll get them for you so that we can dominate them. Now, over here, I really want to show this to you, that they are bringing in 4.7 thousand in keywords, and that's bringing them the traffic, 7.6 traffic a month. This is a month. 1,000 new traffic has been added. So they also are doing ads, but if you can see their ads, they are doing 49 keywords. They just added 31 of them, and their traffic is only 129. So their website without the paid traffic is bringing so much more work for them than their actual paid traffic. And this is what we want to do with you. Let me go back to yours. If you can see this right up here, this is their website. And if we go back to your website, I'll show you that this is yours up here at the top. Now, they have a lot more backlinks, and they have a lot more keywords and paid traffic, and they're getting a lot more traffic than you are getting into your site. So again, just let me go through that again. Number one thing we want to see is more content on your page. Second thing we want to do is get you those citations. And the third thing we want to do is to do the link juice and get you up and going for that. So your content, again, 1,500 words on a page to 2,000. Your citations, you want to really have, like I said, 75 to 100, but to beat them and so that they won't get above you, we would go out and get about 200 to 300 of these just to beat them by a landslide. Your link juice, you do need more relevant sites pointing at you to show Google you are the authority. Anyways, that's what I have for you, those 3 tips. And so if you want to implement these strategies today, you can be number 1 across Google. And um, if you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own, I am totally okay with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can just give me a call at 435-337-4840. Once again, my name is Heidi, and my number is right here on the screen, 435-337-4840. I really look forward to hearing from you. You have a great day.